rock the boat, baby.
Rock the boat.
Don't tilt the boat over.
Rock the boat.
Don't rock the boat, baby.
Rock the boat.
Whoa, yeah. Woo. Ever since our love, oh boy, your touch has filled me like the rush of the wind, and your arms have held me like. There's always been a tender love. Your love is like a ship on the ocean.
It's sailing in a cover full of
Love and devotion. Until now we sail through every storm, and I've always had your tender lips to keep me warm. Oh, I know. Don't let me drift away, my dear, when love can see us through.
love is like a ship on the ocean.
Whoa.
It's sailing in a cover full of
Love and devotion.
So I'd like to know.
I'd like to know.
You got the notion.
Like to know.
I'd like to know where you got the notion.
Hey, just rock the boat.
Let us hear from the judges. Come on, honey. Conroy.
So. Look here, the song say rock the boat. Then rock the boat, then come on, just enjoy. The other thing that the first two contestants were enjoying the music. They were doing what the music said. You came on fretting. What you fretting for rock the boat? And stuff fretting. So, I mean, I don't know what to say, but probably not your night tonight.
Anthony.
I'm not going to cut you any slack. That was dismal dinghy overturns. That was no rock the boat. Respect the process. Come here and rehearse something and give us a performance. That was disrespectful, beneath contempt. Rehearse disco, go on YouTube and look up something. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Alaine.
All right, so we're going to take a different attitude and approach to this judging of your performance. It wasn't the best day, right?
Well.
So here we go. We're going to figure out why that didn't work, because it didn't work. As Conroy said, when you walked on, you never enjoy yourself. The music is fun, and so it's light. You're young. You're supposed to be happy. You're rocking the boat. You don't necessarily know what that means, but it sounds like fun, so I'm going to try to convey that to the audience, you know? So you're a good singer. You have a lot to offer, but what you have to be is committed to being excellent. And even when I remember one time I was singing with my mother and she forgot the words, so she just made up something. She goes, so just do it, just work it. Yeah, you're making mistakes, stop, make up the words. Hi, I'm Oryan, I don't remember the song, but rock the boat, watch me rock. You understand? So you bring people in, because each of us is imperfect. And each of us makes mistakes,
Okay,
but just work with it. Don't interrupt me.
Can you just go away now?
No.
Yeah.
So that's my judgment. There's a lot that you have to offer. Just be committed to the process, and it will get better.
All right, thank you so very much, judges.